This is typically, you know what, there's another semi truck. And if you're not careful, that will push you to one side or another, or those tires could blow. So I'm gonna make a lane change, mirror, turn signal, blind spot. And you never want to be too close to semi trucks. I can't make a lane change to the left because there's another vehicle going really fast, and that's why you have to check your blind spot. See, they're moving quite fast. Then I'm gonna make a lane change to the left. I'm wondering why are they slowing down? Because we wanna stay out of this truck's blind spot. You wanna adjust your heat and defrost to keep your windows. Oh, by the way, we're expecting a tornado today, so it's a little bit scary. So this black vehicle ahead of me, they're just hanging around the truck. I don't know why they're just hanging around this truck, and we want to keep going. You can see the weather's getting bad, right? So you want to be mindful. Usually when the weather gets bad, the road tends to deteriorate some and it gets really slick. You want to stay in the grooves on the road. If you're looking ahead, the darker patches, those are the grooves in the road. And again, we are not hanging around these semi trucks. You're asking to get cut off. You're asking for a tire to blow off. And this morning on the way to the lab, this was going on. I want you to hear this. See, no one wants that. And then I'm gonna get over one lane to the left because the left lane is the passing lane or fast lane. And I'm back over. Taking my time. The middle lane is the smooth lane. I'm not turning the steering wheel as much. The lane to the right, you'll get cut off by cars merging on. So I like to see my students in the middle lane. That's the smooth lane. See, the car got over. That's what they're supposed to do. What are they doing? So you've got to be mindful of what cars are doing. Speed, good space, and a smile. Small steering movements. The faster you go on expressway, the less you need to turn the wheel. Expressways are safer than streets because there are no intersections. Traffic is moving in one direction. You have to take an entrance ramp to get on, and you have to take an exit ramp to get off. Those are some things that a tester may ask you. The wolf pack is ahead of me, so I'm backing off a little bit. They have a flat tire and it happens, so you have to know. And you can look at the white van that's cut off the white car. You have to know how to change a tire. And if you want me to put together some content on that, just let me know. So I'm maintaining a good speed. It's a little warm in here, so I'm gonna turn the heat down a little bit. I like to keep it cooler in the car because I've had clients and adults and teens fall asleep. So I'm getting that just right. Lifting my foot a little bit. I like to see students manage their speed with lifting their foot off the gas pedal a little bit. I see the truck with brakes on. I see the car to the left behind me because I'm constantly checking mirrors. I need you to model some of these things. If this is bringing you value, give it a thumbs up. Like it. I'm continuing at pretty good speed. You notice they're kind of slowing down a little bit. The pace is starting to slow down. I'm gonna go ahead and get over one lane to left. Mirror, turn signal, blind spot. And a lot of these vehicles are starting to slow down and hang by that semi-truck. And then I'm just cleaning the window so I can see. Curves will give you centrifugal force that will pull you out to the left, so I'm not turning the wheel really hard. We got our Chevron alignment signs. They tell you it's a sharp curve going to the right, but they're on the left side of the road. You can see all the mist kicking up, and you want to have your windshield wipers on prior to getting in where the semi truck is, because it's going to spray a lot of water at you.